Good boy.
Hookah boy. Sit. Lay down. Up. Speak. Speak. Give me that paw. All right. Up, up. Hookah boy. Look at you. Look at you all dressed up. Do you want this? Do you want it? All right. Don't you move. You stay right there. You be a good gentleman. Stay. All right. 3, 2, 2.5, 2 5/8, 2 3/6. You are such a pristine gentleman. Look at you, Exodus. I am so proud of you. Now, here's the real test. If I can put this hat on you, don't you move. You stay right there. Now you're pretty. Look at you. You are just a champ. All right. 3, 2. Are you drooling, sir? Look at you. So patient. I'm so proud of you. 1. Go get it. Where'd it go? You dropped it. Good boy. Exodus, do you want some fish? Lay down. Up. Speak. Can I get a ow ow? Good boy. Stay. Give that paw. Get that other one up there. Double paw. My dude. All right. Up, up. All right. You stay right there. You know the deal. This is your patience training. And because of TikTok, you are going to stay right here. And you can have it when I say those magic words. 3, 2, 2.5. 2 5/8, 2 3/6. I am so proud of you. You are such a pristine gentleman. And you get all of these gifts all the time because of the people at TikTok, and they like you for it. And they get to watch how cool and awesome and very patient you are being trained. You can have it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, go boy. Oh, on the floor again. Come on, this is why I have to clean all the time.
My dog gets so excited for dinner time.
You don't understand. I don't do outdoors. I'm a throw pillow, filtered water, brush twice a day kind of indoor dog.
Boo at your dog.
Boo!
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Wait.
She's like, I know, I want to go home. She's like, I want to go home.